How to master Facebook Live. I recently made a video about how to use Facebook Live, but this video involves a little bit more strategies that you can use to when doing your Facebook Live. Facebook Live is too valuable of a resource when it comes to marketing to leave out, because you can generate recurring free leads, and also it's great for branding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then feel free to click on the bell below. The difference between the marketers that do Facebook Live and those who doesn't is that those who does Facebook Live basically generally make more leads, generate more leads, and make more sales than those who doesn't. So Facebook Live is a great asset to add to your marketing arsenal if you're not using it yet, because people are more willing and eager to watch a video than to read a written text. If you're feeling nervous showing yourself on a video, then try to work on that and come out more and more out of your comfort zone. Because the more you do a certain thing you're nervous about, the easier it will get for you to do that task, and you will feel less uncomfortable with it. When it comes to the lives, make sure you come out with a lot of energy, positive energy, and when we talk about marketing, by doing repeatedly doing Facebook Live, you will be branding yourself, and people can get to know you more, see you that you're a real person, and get to know how you work, so to say, and how you are. Now, to the best time to do your Facebook Live, well, you can test that by doing several Facebook Live at different times during the day, and then you can see what time of the day you have the most views and comments and likes and so on. When you're first starting out, you may notice that you don't get a lot of views, but that happens to everyone that starts. Just keep at it and adding value, and I'm sure you will see more views and comments and likes. And if you don't think that you have anything of value to share, then I must say that you have. You can tell them about your story, you can tell them about something you have learned in marketing recently or in the past. You can, talk about mindset or anything. It can be something outside marketing, just to get the eyeballs on your profile and so on. Now, would you like to know how to get unlimited leads for free without spending any money on ads? Then click the link below and grab the free training. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and have a nice day. Bye bye.